Here is an explanation for the answer to final exam, question number 93 in Alternative Energy Demystified 2nd edition. If you have the printed book, please refer to page 331. We're talking here about a process that's commonly used to produce biodiesel fuel. So the correct answer is B. Dilute acid esterification is used to produce biodiesel fuel from things like demised cooking oil, like you might find in your favorite fast food restaurant. And here's sort of how that process of obtaining biodiesel from used cooking oil and animal fat or animal fat works. Dilute acid esterification just basically works the usable oil out from the unusable oil. It's sort of like, it's difficult to describe this process in detail here, but what it basically does is it just drives out the usable oil, and the process then results in crude biodiesel fuel, which can be refined, as shown right here, into usable biodiesel fuel. So it's generally just a refining process that gets all of the unwanted stuff out and leaves only the stuff that a vehicle can deal with. It also, as a byproduct, produces methyl alcohol, which can be used to further refine the biodiesel fuel, along with sodium and potassium hydroxide. That's sort of like the soda ash that you put in a swimming pool to keep the chlorine from making the water too acid. That's what this sodium and potassium hydroxide is. It's an alkaline substance. So what we get here basically is a looping cycle where we work over and over again to simply refine the fuel into diesel that your vehicle can burn. The interesting thing about biodiesel, I've heard that this is true, I don't know if it's really true or not, is that when you burn biodiesel in a vehicle, that the resulting smell, rather than that characteristic diesel smell that I used to like as a kid and now I hate, I guess as you grow up you evolve different sense of smell, but they say that this biodiesel, when it burns, actually smells like the cooking process in a fast food restaurant. So the next time you're driving behind a big truck and you smell something that smells so good that it makes you want to stop and eat a hamburger, maybe the truck is using biodiesel fuel. Anyway, once again, the correct answer to this question is B. You get biodiesel fuel from this process of dilute acid esterification, which I wish I could describe in more detail in this video, but there just isn't room. Aloha.